Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. If you're using the Bushnell Equinox X650 and trying to see clearly in complete darkness, activating the infrared feature is the key, but it's something many users overlook at first. Without IR turned on, the device won't perform well in low light or nighttime conditions, which can make it seem like it's not working properly. The infrared illuminator enhances visibility by lighting up the scene in a way that's invisible to the human eye, but visible through the device. The best thing is that once you know how to activate and adjust it, your night vision experience becomes much clearer and more effective. Try these. Step 1. Turn on the Equinox X650 device using the power button. Step 2. Locate the IR button or infrared control on the unit. Step 3. Press the button to activate infrared illumination. Step 4. Adjust IR intensity levels based on darkness conditions. Step 5. Look through the display to check improved visibility. Step 6. Fine-tune brightness and IR level for best clarity.